Flash flood watch in effect from Sunday afternoon to Tuesday morning. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northeastern Illinois. This includes the following counties: Boone, Bureau, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Joe Daviess, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lotsall, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago and Woodford. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Total rainfall amounts of 3 to 5 inches are expected, with 6 to 8 inches expected in areas near Lake Michigan. Rainfall amounts like this will cause widespread and catastrophic flash flooding to occur. Flash flooding of cities, rural areas, rivers, and small streams is very likely. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood watch for northeastern Illinois from Sunday afternoon until Tuesday morning. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Cook County in northeast Illinois, DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, Lake County in northeast Illinois, MC Henry County in northeast Illinois, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday. At 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen across the warned area, and additional rainfall is likely throughout this afternoon into tonight. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or you are under an evacuation order. Most deaths during flooding occur in automobiles. If you come to a closed or flooded road, turn around, don't drown.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Governor of the State of Illinois. Due to heavy rainfall which will result in dangerous flooding in northeast Illinois over the next 24 hours, the Governor of Illinois has issued a mandatory evacuation order for residents within a 1-mile radius of Lake Michigan. This order includes the following cities: Chicago, Aurora, Elgin, Hammond, and Naperville. If the situation intensifies, it may become necessary to expand the evacuation radius to areas outside of Lake Michigan. Evacuation shelters are currently being set up at this time. These shelters may be found at www.fema.gov. It is also recommended to use minor roads along your route in order to reduce evacuation traffic. Contraflow is in effect for all freeways in the evacuation zone. Take the following actions before you evacuate. Take essential items, including food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and a first aid kit. Turn off all gas and water supplies. Close all windows and doors. If you intend to bring a pet, make sure it is on a leash or in a cage. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. If you see someone that needs assistance, help them if you can safely, or dial 911. However, due to this upcoming situation, there will be time before help will arrive. This is a life-threatening situation. Do not hesitate to evacuate. If you choose to stay, you are doing so at your own risk.
Flash flood emergency for the Chicago metropolitan area. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois, DeKalb County in northeast Illinois, DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Grundy County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, Kendall County in northeast Illinois, McHenry in northeast Illinois, Will County in northeast Illinois, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and rain gauges indicated that 8 to 12 inches of rain have fallen in the warned area. Flash flooding is occurring. Additional rainfall is expected. This is a particularly dangerous situation. The entire Chicago metropolitan area will be affected by flooding. Stay off all roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Governor of the State of Illinois. There have been multiple reports that most cities and towns in the Chicago metropolitan area are underwater due to the flooding that occurred yesterday. Those that evacuated are advised to remain in your shelters as many buildings in the warned area have been destroyed. It will be about a couple of weeks until floodwaters recede, and that residents can return home, if they even have one. Please stay tuned to this station for more information on this situation.